Love crispy, spicy, and flavorful snacks? This chicken pakora recipe is a game changer, perfectly crunchy on the outside and juicy inside. Hello, my name is Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Let's get started. Take half kilo chicken pieces with bones in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Mix everything well, ensuring all chicken pieces are well coated. Add a pinch of chaat masala or extra green chilies for a spicier flavor. Ginger, garlic, and turmeric have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Cover and let it marinate for 30 minutes for deep flavor. Now add 3 tablespoons rice flour for crispiness, half cup gram flour or besan for a light and airy coating. Coat the marinated chicken pieces in this dry flour mixture. Gram flour and rice flour provide essential carbohydrates for energy. Chicken is a good source of protein. Chicken helps in muscle building and keeps you full. Now heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Drop in the coated chicken pieces one by one. Fry for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping occasionally until golden brown and crispy. For a healthier twist, bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Double fry the pakoras for an extra crispy texture. Fry once, let them rest and fry again for 2 to 3 minutes. No preservatives or artificial flavors, making it a better choice than store-bought fried snacks. Remove and place on a paper towel to drain excess oil. And that's it. Crispy, juicy and super flavorful chicken pakora is ready to be served. Try it and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.